And so you guessed it, we have no fuel. Right then, so here we are, we're at the petrol station. My fuel is at, it has just literally hit, yep, so the fuel light's just come on. So at 100,000, 111,095 miles. So what we'll do, as I said, we'll drive it. I'm going to drive it as eco as possible. I'm going to drive it as good as possible, and then see actually how many miles we get out of it. Some of you may be interested what MPG this thing gets. So yeah, without further ado, let's whack some V-power in, and we'll see how we get on. The V-power is 179 a litre. Yeah, boy. Oh, does anyone else do this? Ready? As soon as I open it, so much pressure comes out of it. Man. 24 quid, let's go. Anyone out there that knows Japanese? What does that mean? Does that mean fast as fuck, boy? So yeah, I couldn't do it properly. You put in £24 1 so I'm saying, what do you reckon that is? That's probably like, what, 2 gallons maybe, you reckon? Right then, so we've got pretty much half a tank, so that's bollocks. There's no way that's half a tank. So 25 quid, what we saying? I'm gonna go for anywhere between 50 and 70 miles. I'm going to drive this as slow as possible. Like, I'm just going to do the speed limit as I always do, and we're going to just like, I'm going to get stuck in traffic more than anything. I think that is going to be decided between the good MPG and the bad MPG, because you do have to rev your tits off in this car just to get it like going. So yeah, today we're going to just go to the gym, go back. I think the gym is roughly about 6 or 7 miles away, so let's have a look. So the gym, Ironworks gym. If you haven't been to Ironworks gym, I definitely recommend it, because it is one of the best gyms ever. So from here it is saying 7.8 mile is going to take 27 minutes. Oh my god, I don't know how to ride my pedal bike, you know. So yeah, 27 minutes, 7.8 mile. So yeah, let's see how much fuel we can get out of this car. So let's go. Right then guys, so we are just about to drive home from the gym. 8.8 miles, 37 minutes, so yeah, let's see. Man, I was 8.8 miles taking 37 minutes, oh my god. So yeah, we're at 111,103 miles, so let's see how many miles we can get out of this bad boy. Let's go. Guys, what is happening, and welcome back to the next day. So we are going to go pick up my bike. I don't even showed you my new bike on the channel, but it's 2.3 miles to get to this place. So it's going to be roughly just under 5 miles. So we're going to drive there, drive back. It's on a cold start. So yeah, we're just trying to get it in so I can actually give you a 100% correct, accurate reading of how many miles we get out of 25 quid. So yeah, I'm just going to nip to the bike shop. I'll even show you the shop, man. Some sick bikes in there. So yeah, right, I'll see you in a sec. Peace. And peeps, it's the same day, it's on the evening. I am going to my nan's house to see my granddad. Unfortunately, he isn't very well, so I'm going to see him, and obviously this is still part of the video on the mileage and stuff. So this is 7.8 miles to get there, so obviously that's pretty much 16 miles it's going to take us. So hopefully it's 6 o'clock, so there shouldn't be too much traffic. So hopefully it's just a straight run. Like I say, I haven't even hit VTEC, like I've been driving like a granny. So 16 miles. Let's see how much fuel we can get. Oi. Good morning everyone, it is a new day. So today we're going to the gym. Yesterday we went to my nan's, so we went to my nan's and back. So we're on 111,152. So if I can work out off the top of my head, we have done nearly 60 miles of £25. It's still saying we've got like a quarter of a tank. So yeah, we're off to the gym now, which is another 8 miles there, 8 miles back. So see how we get on. So yeah, I'll speak to you in a bit. Peace. Right then, so we are back with some fuel. Let's have a look. So we've just hit red
and we got 111,189 miles. So let's work out how many miles we got from 24 quid.
Right then guys, so I kind of like didn't really finish up the video, so I've kind of like literally filmed from when I put fuel in every time I drove. I think I drove to my nan's a couple more times. So yeah, I think roughly off 25 quid we got around 94 miles, bearing in mind, yeah, I was pulling away as slow as possible and we was getting to this like 30 miles an hour and we were in 5th gear, like under 2000 RPM. So this was like the most easiest, softest driving that you could possibly do. So obviously the car's got Integra induction kit, RBC inlet manifold, 4-to-1 manifold, obviously exhaust all the way back. So yeah, that is what we got. 96 miles out of 25 quid. Do you think that is good, or do you think that's bad? Bearing in mind last time I put 20 quid in I got like 40 miles, and that was because I was sending it. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. I've got 2 GoPros, I've got little microphones I bought I've never actually used, so on the next video hopefully we'll just go out for a little drive. I know, say first drive. I've had this car like 6-7 months and I've done literally nothing with it. I've been so like frustrated. The last couple of weeks I've had literally time off everything. Like I deleted Instagram, the app off my phone and that, and I just was like, you know, I need to like find myself, and just feel like social media is just a full on pressure all the time. And but yeah, I do genuinely enjoy videos. Like I'm messing about with this video now and just like messing on the Mac and that. I do really enjoy it. I don't know, my head goes sometimes and I just need some time out to just think, what are we doing here? Do you know what I mean? So hope you all enjoy the video. I know it's something a bit different, but yeah, if you're looking to buy a Honda K20, you get 96 miles out of £25, and that is with using, I think it was SO99. So yeah, what do you think? 24 miles, 25 quid, 95 miles, pretty decent, isn't it? So yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.